Ever stood at the airport check-in counter, praying they don't weigh your bag because you know you're over the limit? Well, what if I told you there's a way to sneak extra baggage on your flight without paying a single dollar, and it actually works? No, I'm not telling you to break the law or bribe the staff. These are clever, strategic, and mostly legal travel hacks flight attendants and frequent flyers quietly use all the time. Ready? Let's go. First, the classic but effective move. Wear your heaviest jacket, hoodie, jeans, and boots onto the flight. Stuff your jacket pockets with chargers, snacks, or small gadgets. No one weighs your clothes, only your bag. I once shaved 4 kilos off my luggage weight just doing this. Next, the duty-free bag trick. Duty-free shopping bags are rarely checked or weighed, so before security, grab a big duty-free bag from a previous trip or borrow one from a friend. After check-in, move your heavy stuff into it. Airport staff won't question it. They'll just assume it's legit shopping. Third, the pillowcase hack. Bring an empty pillowcase in your carry-on, and once at the airport, fill it with clothes or accessories from your suitcase. Call it your travel pillow. Most airlines don't count it as an extra item, and it works like magic. Next, layered bags inside a backpack. Pack a smaller tote or crossbody bag inside your main backpack. After security, pull it out. Airports are strict at check-in, but super chill once you're through. Instant extra bag space, zero hassle. And finally, befriend the check-in agent. It sounds simple, but a little kindness, a compliment, or a light joke about how tough their job must be can go a long way. If you're slightly over the limit, they might just wave it off. And there you go, 5 clever ways to sneak extra baggage on your flight without paying a dime. Use them responsibly, don't be greedy, and remember, it's about outsmarting the system, not breaking it. If you like this, smash that like button, comment your favorite travel hack, and subscribe for more smart, slightly sketchy life tricks you'll wish you knew sooner. Catch you in the next one.